Hi everyone, this is Chris here from My Own House Fix, and today we're going to talk about a few issues you might have in your bathroom. Let's go check out a few slow drains. So as you can see here, this is our shower drain, and like a lot of you, even though that the plumbing is relatively new, only a few years, we have a slow drain. It seems like every 6 months. It never fails. The water starts to back up all the way to here. So we've got a slow drain. And like I said, even though it's new plumbing, around every 6 months, it seems like we get slow drains in the sink and the shower. So let's see how we can remedy this. Okay, so we've got the cover off and you can see all this nastiness. You can see the nastiness down in the drain, and I don't know about you, but I don't even want to go anywhere near all that gunk. So we've got a couple options. And we have a couple of tools here. You know, you can either snake the drain out with this here, and then you still have to deal with all the nastiness when you pull this in and out. It's going to kind of scrape everything around, but you're still going to wash it down the drain with the water pressure you have from the shower. Or another alternative, you could use Drano, but then those chemicals go down your drain, they get into our waterways, and we really don't like to use Drano or any heavier harsh chemicals just because of those chemicals getting into our water, our streams, our rivers. So there's another option, and it's called the Drain King. You see it here. It has a bladder on the end. You hook it to the sink, and this expands and seals into the pipe and blasts everything through with water pressure. So it takes care of all the nastiness and you don't have to really touch it. So we'll give you a little demo and show you how this works. Okay, so as you can see here, we've removed the aerator from the sink itself. And we're going to replace it with the fitting supplied with this kit. We'll screw this up in here. We'll attach the end just like you would a garden hose, and we're good to stretch it over to the sink here, from the sink to the shower, and clean this drain out. Okay, as you can see, it puts out a fine jet, and this bladder will expand. You can see it expanding, and it will seal around the pipe in the bottom here. So this pretty much acts as a pressure washer to blast your drain free. So let's insert it down in here and get going. Okay, now we turn on the water, and the Drain King is expanded around the drain, and you can hear it blasting away. We'll let it run for just about a minute, and we'll turn the water off and check the drain. Here's a little bit better view. You can see the bladder expanded. Now the water has dropped. It's blasting the blockage through. You can see the bladder expanded here, so it's sealing, and you can hear it blasting and cleaning the drain all the way through. So unlike just the snake that would knock everything loose and then the water just rinses through normal water pressure, this is blasting it through like a pressure washer would. Then what I like to do after the drain is clean and everything's good to go, I like to come back and just kind of pressure wash all around the edge, clean all this up real nice, get all this gunk off, and it's hands-free, get all this smelly junk off of here. Make it resemble a brand new drain again, and you don't have to touch it or mess with all that nastiness. And you won't have a smelly drain anymore.